is Mark from the Tree Care Expert channel, and we're here with Mark from Clarity Market. Good morning.
What's going on, guys?
So tell us a story about where you started and what made you think of the company and really what you guys specialize in.
So we specialize in helping tree guys do direct insurance billing, having accurate pricing, understanding the market. Markets always change, pricing goes up and down, and a lot of the software that the carriers use is like based in the past. It doesn't take into consideration travel time, fuel, going down to storms, or for that matter, a lot of it doesn't even take into consideration when you put a client on hold in your local market, you know, the variances in prices. So let's see, I guess it was back in 2018-19, I got my first Paul Finger crane, and I was the only CDL driver. And the problem is that I couldn't go and give an estimate, then come back across Atlanta to get the crane to go back. And I was like, well, wait, the crane guys, they all charge per hour. Why can't I charge per hour for my Bobcat, my Min, my chainsaws? So that's what the software does. You basically take your legal, you put it in a form, you fill out 35 categories on your per hour rate, and you tell the software where you deploy from. That gives you a radius. So then when a customer calls you, we did 450, and these are a few examples. We did 450 claims in the last 3 years. So when a customer calls you, you send them a link, they sign it, agreeing to your rates, and then you go do the job. When you come back, you simply create the invoice, and the software will automatically recalculate what those hours would have been from the other competitors in your area, so that now effectively the homeowner has the estimates. It's the same net result of getting estimates up front, but they're made safe quick. And then you have those comparables to give the carrier once the job is done and the homeowner's made safe. And it eliminates you from having to travel to go on estimates all the time because they sign up online.
Excellent. So you've kind of got the whole thing all figured out, so that it's really a simple process for
100%. Yeah, 100%. Like you get your rates, you create your own legal, answer the phone, they sign up, you go do the work, you create the invoice, and on top of that, we're also going to have invoice or insurance training. So I'm a licensed insurance adjuster as well, and I'm more than happy to teach you anything and everything about negotiating with carriers, how to do your line items, everything I can help you with. It's free of charge on our channel, and right now the software is in beta, so it's free to sign up and use it and give us feedback. We want to just lift the industry up.
Excellent. And what's the best place people can find out information on your program?
So claritymarket.com, and then you can also check us out on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. We're going to be posting more and more, and then also some on my personal tree service, 770 Arborist, on that YouTube channel as well.
And if they have questions, are you available for them to speak to directly?
Absolutely. If you have a question about your claim, probably we won't do it on the phone, but what we will do for sure is we'll set up a podcast. Let's talk, bring your questions, bring your claim issues. And I'd love to look at the pictures and let's tell the industry, each and every claim is different, every policy is different. And if you have a claim you're struggling with, I'm more than happy to just give you some thoughts, because 10 times out of 10, there are going to be other dudes out there that have the same question or are struggling with the same thing. So yeah, just reach out, support@claritymarket.com. Let's connect and do a podcast together.
It's always reassuring working with somebody, that's in both the insurance industry and in the tree care industry. It's kind of a real specialty that you have, so it makes it a lot easier, for people to ask you questions and knowing that they're going to get the right answer instead of,
Or an answer.
Yes.
A helpful answer, I hope. Yeah, I hope so.
Excellent. And again, this is Mark Russell from Clarity Market. Thank you very much.
You guys take it easy.